Welcome to CQUniversity Australia. We are one of Australia's fastest growing universities with a reputation that ranks some of the best in the world. So you've chosen to study with us and now you're ready to apply. Let's take you through how to apply for your course. We have multiple intakes per year. Start at a time that best suits you. We recommend you submit your application at least 3 months prior to the start of each term. Check out the term dates on our website. Make sure you've got all the documents you need, including passport, academic transcript, and proof of English proficiency. Browse through the scholarships on our website and see which one you're eligible for. You can submit your application through iStart via our website or our authorised education agents. iStart is our online application system for international students. It's quick and simple. iStart is your one-stop shop. You can apply for a course, monitor the progress of your application, receive your offer and accept it. But first, you need to register. Then you follow the prompts. Before you know it, you'll be done. And now it's our turn to take care of the next step. Our admissions team will assess your application. If you are successful, you will receive a letter of offer via email. There are 2 types of offers. If you meet all the requirements, you will get an unconditional offer. If you don't, you will get a conditional offer. This means we need more information from you, but don't worry, we will let you know exactly what else we need. To accept your offer, you will need to meet all the requirements on your offer and make payment. Once you have accepted your offer via iStart, we will then issue a confirmation of enrolment. Now you can apply for your student visa and prepare for your new adventure in Australia. If you are unsure about any of these steps, check our website for more information or give us a call. We look forward to welcoming you to CQ University.